Hello guys, today we are here with a new chapter, Madam Rides the Bus. Here is its short summary. The lesson is about an 8-year-old girl named Veli who did not have any friends to play with, and so she would spend her time by looking at outside affairs going on the street. Her favorite part was to look at the bus that passed by her village every hour. It gave her endless joy to look at the new set of passengers each time the bus crossed by. Gradually, even she wished to travel by bus. Soon, this wish turned into a desire, and therefore, she made it her mission to fulfill it. She started listening to the conversation between her neighbors who frequently traveled by bus, and in the process, would ask a few careful questions here and there to collect more information. Just like this, she knew that the town is 6 miles away from her village and it took the bus 45 minutes to travel one side. One side fare was 30 paise, making it 60 for a back and forth ride. Therefore, she started planning and replanning so that she could sneak out during her mother's afternoon nap and come back without her knowing anything. She needed to save the money, which was not easy as she had to resist the temptation of candy, peppermint, and merry-go-round. Finally, she saved enough money, and one fine day, the brave 8-year-old took the bus during its not very busy hours. She refused to take any help from the conductor or fellow passengers. It was an amusing sight for everyone to see such a small girl all alone acting like an adult. The conductor was of the joking sort and thus referred to Veli as a grown up madam. Short heighted Veli would stand on her seat to be able to see clearly from the window while everyone advised her to sit for her own safety. Each time someone would poke their nose in her business, Whaley would get annoyed as she did not consider herself a child. She did not want to be friends with an elderly lady who was worried about her because she thought she was not socially capable enough. She enjoyed seeing what was going on outside, and the sight of running cow in the middle of road was abruptly a funny scenario for her. Upon reaching the town, she refused to get down the bus because she was too afraid to do so alone. While returning, she carried extreme enthusiasm while she saw a cow lying lifeless on the road. It was the same cow that was so joyous previously. Willie got terrified at the fact that how a creature so full of life can instantly turn into something horrible. She sat down silently for the rest of the journey. Upon reaching home, she found her mother and aunt taking for rest of the journey, taking talking about the endless possibilities in the world outside. Really affirmed to what her mother was saying, leaving both of them astonished. She then justified her reaction by mentioning that she was casually agreeing to what her mother was saying. Her aunt then referred to Whaley as a no-spoken child who acts like a grown-up lady, but only Whaley knew that what she was referring to because after all, no one knew about her past journey.